Okay, this is the RC car. That's the front diff. This is the measurement on it, and this is a 1/14th scale. This is a 1/14th scale replacement, where it's supposed to be. .7, 2.9, and the material on this is thicker. The size itself is bigger. If I put this piece in, it kind of meshes, even without the rest. If I put this in with the whole thing, it doesn't reach that gear, and that gear is where it's supposed to be. And literally, it's marketed as a 1/14th scale, but does not reach the center drive. So it came as a 2-pack, but they're both the same size, and just for kicks and giggles, that's 9.4. .5. The material thickness here is 1.7. Here it's 0.5. So everything, literally everything on this is smaller by at least a millimeter. But the one piece that I need replaced is literally this, from the original manufacturer. The gears are stripped, but only on this piece. The gear that it connects to on the center line doesn't have any issues with it at all. It says it's upgrade parts, and online it said it was for a 1/14th scale. This is the second time I've tried to get that part replaced, and the second time that what I've had come in was this size instead of the 1/14th scale from the manufacturer, and nobody's putting in, from what I've found, nobody's putting the cog size outside diameter. Like, yeah, this is a 30T, but this is a 30T that is a very specific size compared to a different 30T that is a different specific size. Because again, this is a 29.8 millimeter, and what came in the shipment is a 27.8 millimeter, so a 2 millimeter difference again. And then the teeth aren't as deep either. So there are specifics that need to be included in these materials that is not being included. And it would be really, really helpful if on the site it said, hey, you know, the crest to trough, like a wave, crest to trough height is this height, and crest to crest is this width, and the outside diameter of this is this, and the outside diameter of the ball bearings, the packed bearings, is this, and the inside diameter of the packed bearings is this. You know, any of those specific details would be wonderful to have, because it's frankly not getting put anywhere. They're saying, hey, it's for this scale, but not, hey, this is this size. If you had the size, you could go part for part, and you could know with a surety that you're getting what you're asking for the very first time, and that it's not some hacked up it's the wrong description, but you'd know it would be the right size. You could verify from those very specifics that what you were getting was right. And I'm going to send this part, or these two parts, front differentials, back and try again. Probably with a different company, but it'll depend on if I can find somebody that actually is sharing that, you know, these are the actual specs. Because I'm trying to repair this so that my son can drive it again, so that we can race ours together again. And he's got a broken gear that I can't replace because we're missing the details from what should be a fairly simple, it wasn't simple to get in my head for my skill set, a simple replacement piece. Anyway,